Welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today I'm going to read The Night Before St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It was the night before St. Patrick's. That day we were green. Not the culture was stringing, except Tim and Maureen. So they decked after the dance from ceiling to floor with streamers and rainbows and shamrocks galore. Later they carefully made traps with gold charming and with earrings. I bet we catch a leprechaun. They love shiny things. For it, they catch one. They will be told they'd find where he buried his big pot of gold. They sat on all traps round the roof with great care and hope in a weedless man. Soon they would be theirs. The children then nest all around in their beds, while wooden of gold coins danced in their heads. Happy sad patties. So Dad, early the next morning, he started to play band without warning. He huffed and puffed and the shrunk. Mounds of green eggs. Ran from their bedroom, Arcana such a chatter. The kids ran down the hallway to see what the matter. But they terribly best that the cat was here. Be quiet, but Quill is hiding somewhere. When we find him, remember we must throw them stairs. For if you look away, if you should blink, leprechauns will start going. Kids crawled by muddy footprints back and forth across the floor. Which led them under Tim's bed and past the closet door. And then outside they heard someone giggling with a real live leprechaun. They both saw him wiggling. His eye had a tickle, his body so tiny. And hand gloves were tickling so cold and shiny. He was dressed all green, from his head to toes, and looked They're like common wearing very sides closed. The children are posted, staring in line. Tell us where the gold is. Don't be tricking our eyes. A bird under a rock. Blue as hard. It's marked with an X right under your backyard. But when the kids went outside with their shovel with a pick, then they saw that it had been a big trick. Happy St. Patrick's Day! Haha, I fooled you. It's time to disappear. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you, and better luck next year.